Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So, in today's video we are going to talk about skincare for beginners under 150 rupees. Yes guys, you heard me right, it's going to be under 150 rupees. By beginners, I don't mean that you have to be 11, 12, 13. You could be 20, 25, 30. Your age doesn't matter. What matters is if you are just new to the skincare world and you're just confused what products to use and what not to use, then keep on watching. What is the particular age when you have to start doing your skincare? So I'd say as early as you can. It doesn't matter, you could be 11, 12, 13, whatever age you are, you should start right now. Just having a very basic, very basic, under a budget skincare is going to be great for your skin, because when you grow older you'll have less fine lines, less wrinkles, and your skin will look very glowy even when you age a lot later. That's the benefit of starting out earlier. So I also use some skincare when I was like 13, 14, but I don't know which one to use and which one not. So I randomly just what the shopkeeper told me, I just bought it and then use it on a very on and off occasions. So but don't do this, please be regular with your skincare. So first of all, if you are someone who use liners or BB cream, or and you're like 11, 12, 13, 14, whatever your age is, you use BB cream, eyeliner, mascara, and any of that, then you must use a cleansing milk before you know before washing your face. So for that I would recommend you to use a cleansing milk. So for me, I've been using the cleansing milk for like since I was in first. My mom used to use it, and I kind of use it on special occasion as well. I have tried a lot of cleansing milk. The one that is very beginner friendly is the Himalaya Herbal Refreshing Cleansing Milk. This is very cheap and great for your skin. So use it with a cotton pad and you're good to go. So I have used cleansing milk for the longest, but right now, like recently, I have switched to Garnier Micellar because I use a lot of BB creams right now. I just started using it. It will cost you 150 rupees for the small bottle, and this one is even cheaper. And I have used it all my entire childhood. It's great. You can use the Lakme one, it's around the same range. But I'm currently using this one, so it is good. Now we are going to move on to the second step. So cleaning your face and having a good face wash is very important that suits your skin. One that I could blindly tell you to use is this one. I've been using this for like 9 years now, and it's been a staple since I was a teenager to now. And all my family member use it, and it's good if you have some pimples, and if you have some teenage pimples, your skin is breaking out a bit. This is great for you. Just go with it. You'll get all these products on discount on Amazon, so don't worry, it's not even going to be on MRP. They're always going to be less than MRP. Go and bought them off Amazon, you're good to go. Now the other one that I've been using almost like 6 to 7 years for now is this one. So I keep on switching between this one and the Himalaya ones. Like this one I used in the morning, because when you wake up you have a lot of face oil on your around your nose, and because your nose have glands that release a lot of sebum oil, so it's good to get out of that and just feel refreshed. So I use this in the morning and I use it in the evening to get all any germs out of my face. So the second one is the cleanser, so, or a face wash, you could say. Now the third step is very crucial, because most of the time we get pimples when we have blockage on our skin, when we slept with makeup. So for that you have to have a scrub. So you don't need to use this one, but it is a great one if you don't have very extremely sensitive skin. I'm using this for like when I was a child. Since I was a child, my mom used this, so I've been using this one since then. It's awesome. I have also used the clean and clear one. It's also nice and it's very gentle, so you can use that or this one. So after cleansing your face, probably in a week you have to do the scrub at least 2 times a week, to get all the dead skin out of your face, so that your pores can breathe. You have less exposure to pimples and other breakouts. So a scrub is very crucial. Most of the time we forgot about it, but please be gentle. Don't I when I was a teenager, I used to rub my face and it turned out red, and I was like, yeah, now I'm like very fair, which is completely a lie. It's not going to make you fairer, it's just going to get out of your dead skin. So the fourth step is a face pack. So I would suggest you to use your basic upturns at home, but if you're in 11th 12th standard and you don't have that time to do that upturn face, I would recommend you to use this one. This is the Himalaya Herbal Neem face pack. Whenever you have pimple, you should apply this and your pimple will definitely reduce in size. And this is great as well. It's very big, so I think it will last you. It is 200-gram container, and it will last you, I think, for like a whole year, because it's whole year and still it's full. But the smell is a bit stronger. And or you could also use another one. This is by Biotique Whitening Depigmentation and Tan Removal one. Is also nice. It gives you a cooling sensation. It will be 150 rupees on Amazon or even less than that. One more thing that I want to tell you here, that if you are someone who is a teenager, like if you are 17 years old, from 11 to 17, try not to use this uh, face pack, because it's peel off one. Because when you are a kid or when you're a teenager, your skin is very sensitive. It's not going to be good for your skin. If you're 18 year 19 year, you can use this one. It's awesome. It will take dirt off. But if you're from 11 to 17, other ones can use it. It's very nice. It will make you feel like you have a new skin on your face. After doing this whole procedure, we are going to move on to toners. So I have used probably a lot of toners, from Himalaya to Ayur, to Lotus, and you name one, I have used it. I have used a lot of toners, I could say that. But one best toner I could ever find are these Biotique ones. So this is the Bio Cucumber one. This is the most I have used. I've gone through like 3 bottles of this. This is the 4th one, and I've used 2 bottles. This is the 2nd bottle that I'm using, this honey water one. They are amazing. You'll find it on Amazon for like 113 rupees each. It doesn't have any alcohol. It gives you that fresh face, and you'll feel like you're like just refreshed. And for me, I love this one a lot more. But they both are more or less similar. There is no much of a difference that that you can point out, oh, this one is this one is. It's just personal preference. The Bio Cucumber one and the honey water, this is the best toner. They don't have alcohol, that's the best part. Other than that, if you use the Himalaya one, that's also fine, but it's not that potent as this one. Don't use the Ayur one because it has a lot of alcohol. That's why you feel that fresh face after using it, but it's not going to be good for your skin, because alcohol tend to affect your skin in an adverse way. You won't see the difference now, but when you grow older, you'll have more wrinkles and fine lines. I have done a separate video on this anti-wrinkle cream, and same for the anti-wrinkle cream. You can start with whatever your age is. It doesn't matter. If you are 11 12 13, you don't have to be that much conscious about it. But if you are if you are in your if you're 18 and 19, you should try to start it right now, because this is the time when you should start. But even if you started at a younger age, it's fine. It will benefit your skin. There is no wrong in this, because when there is a misconception attached with everything we do in India, is that when you're younger, you're not supposed to get waxed, or you don't need to do your eyebrows. You're not supposed to do your upper lips. I don't believe these. I think if it makes you feel confident and if you want to do it, just go for it. There is no right or wrong way in that. But if you don't want to, just don't do it. So now after toner, you should apply a moisturizer. So that's you can use this one, the Vaseline one, any moisture anti-wrinkle cream. You can do that now. This one is the Himalaya one, and it smells divine. Oh my god, I love it. It's the best. So it smells nice, and you can also get this for under 150 rupees. Its MRP is 250, but on Amazon, if you search for it, it will be 150 rupees. Awesome cream for anti-wrinkle properties, water based. You can also use as a primer. I have done a separate review on this, you can find out. And the last step, and very crucial, the last but not the least, very crucial one, is the sunscreen. So guys, try to use at least SPF 30 after a moisturizer, and you must apply sunscreen on top of your face so that when the sun hits you, you have a protecting shield just at the top of your face. And just this, and this will conclude your skincare routine for sure. This is the correct order in which you have to apply things, and it's a very basic, I can do in depth, but this is very basic skincare that you can do as a beginner. So yeah guys, I hope you like this video and it is informative for you guys. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.